Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I believe is the best Maybelline lipstick set out there, the Maybelline Super Stay Vinyl Ink Liquid Lipstick Makeup Bundle. This set includes two stunning shades, Rose Mauve Nude in Koi and Mauve Nude in Witty, both designed to deliver long-lasting, vibrant color with a glossy finish that truly stands out. Let's talk about the formula first. Maybelline has crafted these liquid lipsticks with their Super Stay Vinyl Ink technology, which promises up to 16 hours of no-budge wear. That means you can apply these lipsticks in the morning and enjoy bold, glossy lips all day without worrying about smudging or transferring onto your mask, cups, or clothes. What sets this formula apart is its color lock technology, designed to keep the shade vivid and intact for hours. What's also impressive is that the formula is vegan, containing no animal-derived ingredients, which makes it a great choice for anyone looking for cruelty-free beauty options. The texture is comfortable and lightweight on the lips, offering an instant shine while still feeling smooth and not sticky or drying, which is a common issue with many long-wear liquid lipsticks. Application is super simple and user-friendly. Each lipstick comes with a precise flocked tip applicator, allowing for smooth and even application. Before applying, you just need to shake the product for about 5 seconds to ensure the pigments are well mixed. Then, glide it over clean, dry lips and let it fully dry to lock in that perfect shine and color. This bundle's color selection is perfect for everyday wear or special occasions. The Koi shade is a beautiful rose mauve nude that adds a subtle yet polished look, while Witty is a richer mauve nude that can complement a variety of skin tones and makeup styles. Together, they give you versatility to switch between a softer natural look and a more pronounced lip statement. In addition to the lipsticks, Maybelline offers a full range of makeup products that you can pair with this set to create a complete look. Whether it's foundation, concealer, eyeshadow, mascara, or brow pencils, you can build a flawless base and complement it with these lip colors for a chic, polished appearance. Removing this lipstick is also hassle-free. Maybelline recommends using micellar water, such as Garnier Micellar Water, which gently removes the long-wear formula without harsh rubbing, preserving your lips' softness and hydration. The packaging is compact and travel-friendly, making it easy to carry in your purse or makeup bag for quick touch-ups throughout the day. Each tube holds 0.14 fluid ounces of product, giving you plenty of product to enjoy without feeling like it will run out too quickly. Overall, this Maybelline Super Stay Vinyl Ink Liquid Lipstick Bundle offers a fantastic combination of long-lasting wear, comfortable vegan formula, easy application, and gorgeous colors. Whether you're new to liquid lipsticks or a seasoned fan, this set gives you two essential shades that work well on their own or layered with other lip products. That wraps up our detailed look at the best Maybelline lipstick set. If you're searching for a reliable, no-fuss liquid lipstick that keeps your lips looking glossy and vibrant all day, this bundle is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product reviews. See you next time.